Rich Tarani with TMC. Thanks for watching. We're up in Boston, Mass. this week. We're speaking with a number of companies in the area, and on our program right now is Dan Murphy with Thingworx. Dan, welcome to the show. How are you?
Great. How's it going, Rich?
Great. So what's going on at the company?
Well, Thingworx is really flying right now. As you know, we're part of PTC. PTC headquartered out of Needham, right in this Boston area here, so headquarters right down the street. But Thingworx is a big part of the whole strategy of PTC as we look at smart connected products and the whole transformation that's happening in the manufacturing industry. So, it's a great time to be part of the IoT, great time to be part of PTC, and we're seeing a tremendous amount of momentum.
Great. So, question I'd like to ask is, how does your company fit within the ecosystem, the IoT ecosystem, and what problems are you solving for your customers and partners?
Sure. So, Thingworx is a platform, a software platform, that's cloud-based for product manufacturers and solution providers to deliver capabilities to create smart connected products. So you can think about any industry, whether it's medical devices, automotive, industrial, consumer, you name it. Those products are becoming more smart, they're becoming more connected. And Thingworx provides the capability to connect those products very easily across any network, across any types of protocols, to take the data that's collected in a very secure and scalable fashion, put that up into a cloud so it can be manipulated, and also take that data and use it for different purposes. And one of the key capabilities within our platform is the application enablement capabilities. So being able to rapidly develop applications built on top of smart connected products.
So the ecosystem, okay, so basically that it really is like an ecosystem here that you're building out. So if I am looking for a solution for my company in the IoT space and I want it to work seamlessly across networks, for example, from satellite to 3G, 4G, is that somewhere where you play?
Yeah, absolutely. And that's one of the main benefits of having a platform, is we put a layer of abstraction between the actual asset that's being tracked or connected to and the connectivity technology in the platform. So if you're an application provider and you want to build an application, you don't want to have to worry about the technology that actually makes the connectivity happen. Right? Let the platform do that, and you don't have to worry about whether it's wired or wireless, satellite, or whether it's going to be on a 4G network or a 3G. What we do is we take care of all that heavy lifting, make it easy for the solution providers and developers and the product manufacturers to focus on what they do best, which is provide solutions to their customers.
Fantastic. And so at what point should companies looking to get into this market talk with you? Should they talk right at the beginning? Is that the time to seek you out?
Yeah, usually, I would highly recommend that, because what ends up happening is folks that are looking at IoT-based solutions, they start with a pilot project and they very simply they say, I can do this. I can take a simple device, connect it, do a hello world application. And I agree that is pretty simple. But when you start talking about scalable...
Like a Raspberry Pi.
Like basically. A Raspberry Pi is a great example.
It's like $30 and they've got the Hello World app.
Hello World app, and you're done in the day and you say, this is great, this is easy. But when you try to take that solution and scale it, or put it into a highly secure environment like a data center or a hospital or a government network, it just can't go in there, right? You need to have the ability to have roles and groups and users and permissions and authentication, plus be able to scale to millions of devices, handle all kinds of data. And that's really what the platform does, right? It handles all that heavy lifting, that capability that goes beyond the hello world into real industrial scale applications.
So is there any other news that we should know about? Anything happening?
Yeah, so obviously... Thingworx is part of PTC, and PTC is a much larger organization. And we're taking this technology, this IoT platform, and really delivering more capability, not just to product manufacturers directly, but through the full suite of PTC products. So PTC has long been known for the best-in-class CAD company, best-in-class PLM solution, best-in-class service lifecycle management. And we're taking this IoT technology and threading it through all those solutions. So now you have the capabilities of real-time connectivity to your products in the design stage, in the operations, in your sales and marketing capabilities, in your supply chain, to your partners, to your customers. So it's a great, great innovation that's happening at PTC, and Thingworx is front and center there.
That's great. Is there anything else we should know before we wrap?
Well, I guess the last thing would be, like you guys have your conference coming up in January.
Our M2M Evolution, January, the end of January 2015.
Yeah, and we're a big sponsor there, a gold sponsor there.
Thrilled
so
to have you there.
Looking forward to that. We also have a conference that's coming up in May in Boston, and it's an ecosystem event. We're trying to get as many end users there so they can present their solutions to the audience, but also get big players in the ecosystem there as well. So we're looking to kind of follow your event with another great event here in Boston, and we're looking forward to that.
That's great. Thanks so much for your time today. This was great.
Thanks, Rich.